Hello everyone, today we built a simple stroboscope with Arduino. Stroboscope is an instrument that generates periodic flash of light and makes a cyclically moving object appear slow or stationary. Normally, a marking point is placed on the rotation path and start measurement. To interpretation of the optical results, if marker point appears stationary, the flash frequency exactly corresponds to the rotation frequency. Example, if the marker appears still at 100 Hz, then the part is rotating at 100 revolution per second. If marker point moving slowly backward or forward, the flash frequency is slightly below or above the rotation frequency. In case of multiply marker points are visible, 2, 3 or 4, then the flash frequency is a multiply of rotation frequency. 2 points are visible, then flash frequency is the double rotation frequency. If 3 points are visible, then the flash frequency is triple of rotation frequency, etc. First, we built a very simple stroboscope with one LED. The Arduino circuit can you see here. It is important to use a resistor. I use here 220 ohm. This is what it look like when it set up. The blinking frequency is varied using the plus or minus case on the keyboard from my PC in 0.1 steps. I start it with 14.6 Hz. Here you can see sketch. Arduino is ready and run with 1 Hz. Upload sketch with 14.6 Hz to Arduino. You can see marker moves slowly. I use a plus key on the keyboard to increase the blinking frequency. The marker stops at approximately 14.6.8 or 14.6.9 Hz. This means that the air fan is rotating at 14.6.9 Hz or 2814 revolutions per minute. Now I am trying to double the blinking frequency to see 2 marker points. Change the start blink frequency to 99 Hz and upload the sketch to Arduino again. Then I reduce the blinking frequency to 94.6 Hz. Now we can see 2 marker points. This means that the blinking frequency is now double the rotation frequency. So it also works with a very simple 1 LED strobe light. In the next step, I want to add more LEDs. I am converting it to 3 LEDs. The problem is that Arduino can only supply 5 volt, so I need an external power supply. For control, I will use MOSFET transistor. The circuit looks like this. You can see the setup here. The sketch remains unchanged. I repeat my measurement with 3 LEDs. With 3 LEDs you get better lighting and don't have to dim the room as much. And finally, I expand my stroboscope with 2 potentiometers. Potentiometers 1 is used to change the frequency from 0.1 to 200 Hz, and potentiometer 2 is used to change the duty cycle in percent. it is easier to adjust the blinking frequency and duty cycle using the potentiometer than using the keyboard on the PC. The current values is displayed in the serial monitor. You can see a circuit with 3 LEDs and 2 potentiometers here. The setup look like this. Of course, you no need to adjust the sketch. All sketches can be downloaded in video description. Upload the sketch to Arduino. Below in serial monitor you can see the frequency and duty cycle in percent. Repeat the measurement with the fan. Now you can easier adjust the frequency using a screwdriver. It was for today. See you next time and have fun with electronics. Bye bye.